Welcome to online classes, children. Today in chapter 1, large numbers, we will be dealing with the topic comparison of numbers, ascending, descending order, successor and predecessor. So let's start with comparison of numbers. Children, for comparing any two numbers, we need to follow two rules. In that, the first rule is, when comparing two numbers, first look for the number of digits in both. The number having more number of digits is larger. That means for comparing any two numbers, we have to first count the number of digits in both the numbers, and the number which is having more number of digits is a larger number. The second rule says, when the number of digits are the same, then we start comparing the digits starting from the left to the right. This means that when the two numbers are having same number of digits, then we have to start comparing from the left hand side and move towards the right hand side. Let us see this from example. I have taken example from my practice time 3. Question number 1. Compare the following numbers and insert greater than, smaller than or equal to sign in the space provided. So you can see here the first question, 91,23,451, and the second number is 6,79,86,010. So here you can see, as I told you, first we have to count the number of digits. So in this one we can see the number of digits is 7, whereas in the second number the number of digits is 8. So children, here from this only we find that the second number is greater number, and we put a sign like this. So tell me children, which rule is following here? Yes, the first rule is followed in this question. Now coming to the second question. So again we will count the number of digits in both, and if the number of digits are same, then we will start comparing from the left hand side. So first number is 7,98,41,668, and here it is 8,17,90,601. So you can see here in the first number the number of digits is 8, and in the second number also the number of digits is same. So tell me which rule we will follow here. The second rule will be followed, and we will start comparing from the left hand side, and you can see here that the first number is 7, and second number here in the second number the first left hand side digit is 8. So you can see we have put the sign here as the second number is the greater number. So children, here is the question C also, and question number D also I have mentioned, and the same way we have to follow these two rules. If the number of digits are same, then we need to compare it from the left hand side, and if the number of digits are different, then the number which is having greater number of digits, a more number of digits, is a larger number. So you can go through these questions. You can write it down in your copies also, as this is your my practice time 3, question number 1 questions. Your second topic is ascending order. See, the numbers are arranged from the smaller to larger number, then we call it as ascending order. You can see here in this picture, we are arranging the number in ascending order from the smallest to largest. So this is your ascending order. So let us understand this from question. My practice time 3, question number 2. Write the following numbers in ascending order. So the first number is given here is, see here, 71 46,891. Second number is 8,17,68,940. Then third number is 9,41,68,432, and the last number is 89,76,843. So children, you can see here, first of all we will count the number of digits. As you can see here, in the first one the number of digit is 7. In the second number the number of digit is 8, and third one again the number of digits is 8, and the fourth one the number of digits is 7. So the number of digits which are 7, that are the smaller number. So we will start comparing in first and the last one. So here it is 7 and here it is 8. So from here we find that the smallest number is this one, 71,46,891, and then comes the second number which is having 7 digits, that is 89,76,843. Then from these two, when we compare, both the numbers are having number of digits are 8, and from the left hand side when we compare, here it is 8 and here it is 9. So this one is the smaller number among these two. So we have written after this one we have written 8,17,68,940, and after that the largest number among all these four numbers is 9,41,68,432. So children, first of all we will start comparing from the left hand side all the number of digits, and the same two rules will be followed while comparing the numbers, and the numbers we will be arranging here from left hand side, smallest number, and we will move towards the largest number. And you can see here the sign what we are putting here is like this. The greater number will be the sign will be like this. Okay, the second question is here, and the same way we are arranging the numbers. You can see here, and you can try to arrange this number from here. First of all, count the number of digits, and then the number of digits which is having the smallest digits is written at first, and then we are moving towards the larger number. Okay, so here is the second question for you all. After comes this descending order. Children, you can see descending order is the order when the numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest. They are said to be in descending order. You can see in this picture that in descending order we are moving from the largest to the smallest. Okay, so the largest number will be written at first, and then smaller than that, then again smaller number, then again smaller number, and in that way we are moving. So let us understand this also from the question of My Practice Time 3, question number 3. Write the following number in descending order. So again the numbers are given here. You can see here, first of all, for arranging in descending order we need to find the largest number. So we need to first of all count the number of digits in all these four numbers. So here you can see the number of digits is 8. Here also the number of digit is 8. Here also it is 8, and in the fourth one also the number of digit is 8. So we will start comparing from the left hand side which number is the largest number. So in the first number the number is 4, in the second number the number is 9, then third number the number is 5, and then in fourth number the number is 9. That means the largest number is among these two numbers, the second and the last one, because the number at the left corner place is 9. Okay, so after as both the numbers are having the first left number is 9, so we will move to the next place and we will compare the digits. So here the number is 8, and here again the number is 8. Again both are having the same numbers, so we will again move to the next number So here the number is 7 at lakhs place, and here the number is 4 at lakhs place. That means this number is the largest number. So we will write this at first, and then we will be writing this one. And then children, you can see here it is 4 and here it is 5. That means 5 is bigger number among second and the third number. So, and first one is the smallest number. So we will be writing the descending order as 9,87,21,684, then 9,84,16,822, then comes 5,19,48,316, and then comes 4,95,86,312. So this is our descending order, and you can see here children, the sign which we are putting here will be like this. Okay, in descending order it will be opposite. And the second question is also here, so you can go through this, and the same way we will be proceeding for the second question also. Next is successor. The number that comes just after the given number is called the successor of that number. That means if I am giving you a number 5 and asking you to write the successor of 5, that means the successor of 5 will be just after the number which comes just after the 5, that is 6. So 6 will be the successor of that number. And how we will find that? We will find that by adding 1 to the given number. Okay, so let us understand this also from the examples. So example I have taken from my practice time 4. Question number 2, write the successor of the following. So the number given here is 34,65,102. So you need to find the successor of this number, and for that you need to add 1 to the given number, and when you add 1 to the given number you get successor as 34,65,103. The second question also you can see here, and the third one also, we are following the same thing children. The given number we are adding 1 to get the successor. In this one also we are adding 1 to get the successor. Next topic is predecessor. So the number that comes just before the given number is called the predecessor of that number. That means children, if I am giving you any number like 11, so the predecessor will be the number which comes just before 11, that is 10. So predecessor of 11 will be 10. So for finding the predecessor we subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, so you see here, write the predecessor of the following. Question number 3 from my practice time 4. Let us understand this. So the given number is 76,92,103. Okay, so the predecessor will be, when we subtract 1 from the given number, so we get 76,92,102. Okay, so in this way we find the predecessor by subtracting 1 from the given number. Second and third question also I have solved, and you can see here you can find out the predecessor in this way by subtracting 1 from the given numbers, and you can get the predecessor. Okay, so I hope children all these topics are very easy and very clear to you all. Thank you.